AI is growing fast, offering new ways to reach, engage, and turn your target audience into paying customers. With over 35% of top companies already utilizing AI, here are 7 crazy AI marketing tools every creator should use. Number 7. ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been the talk of the town. Developed by OpenAI, it's a useful tool that lets you do everything from answering questions and crafting content to generating social media captions and even serving as a virtual assistant or customer support for your business. Still, it's important to remember that while ChatGPT can be a helpful tool, you should check and improve what it creates to match your brand rules and find any mistakes the tool might have missed. And to make the most of ChatGPT, you must learn how to use the right prompts. Think of prompts as the instructions you give the AI tool to get things done. The clearer and more exact your instructions, the better the outcomes you can expect. AI tools give you a strong starting point to build on, but they can't do everything you need. They serve as an efficient starting point to enhance your tasks. Have you tried ChatGPT? Let us know your experience in the comments. Number 6. ElevenLabs. Before scripts can entertain and captivate your audience, they need to sound real. That's where ElevenLabs comes in. You don't need to hire a voice actor because this AI tool can make audio that fits your style, voice, volume, and speed. ElevenLabs uses a super smart learning model that lets you make audio for lots of things like audiobooks, social media content, brand avatars, and more. ElevenLabs also supports multiple languages. With this, you can clone the voice of your favorite celebrities without language barriers or create a new synthetic voice from scratch for your audio. Of course, it is not perfect, but it remains one of the best voice cloning AI tools out there. Add background music to the video and you really won't be able to tell the difference. Yeah, it's that good. With ElevenLabs, you can create high-quality audio fast and consistently without spending money on a voiceover artist or professional audio equipment. Number 5. Midjourney. Imagine painting a clear image with words, describing a scene so lively and real that you can't tell which is real or AI generated. This is precisely what Midjourney does. Midjourney connects technology and creativity, helping you translate your words into amazing visuals that you can use for your videos. This means you no longer need to rely on stock photos. Just tell Midjourney the scene you are trying to paint and watch it create magic for you in a few minutes. Midjourney sets you apart from other creators by providing high-quality images. It treats you more than a user, but as an artist with full control, you have options to bring your vision into an amazing reality. At just $10 a month, this AI tool opens the doors of imagination so you can explore without limitations. However, just like ChatGPT, you need to use the right prompts to get the most out of Midjourney. Are you enjoying this crazy AI journey? If so, like this video and subscribe to our channel to get first access to the best digital marketing tools on the market. Now back to the countdown. Number 4. Clade. Photo editing can be tricky. Many content creators struggle to identify the fine line between fixing and over-editing their pictures. This is where Clade comes in. You don't need prior photo editing skills because this AI tool automatically creates and improves boring images and makes them exciting for your fans. With Clade, you can increase resolution, remove unwanted backgrounds, correct colors, and more without creating false expectations or distorting the image. Clade is perfect for marketing and promotional purposes, especially to promote e-commerce products. So, first, you can bring your ideas to life using Midjourney. Then use Clade to fine-tune the visuals before compiling them into a viral video using the next AI tool we will discuss. Number 3. CapCut. You now have your script, audio, and pictures. Now let's create your video. CapCut makes video editing a snap, allowing you to create amazing content from your smartphone. Rated one of the most used video editing apps in 2023 by TechRadar, most of your favorite creators are using CapCut. Video editing is easy with CapCut. It allows you to produce and share lots of content with your fans without burning yourself out. With CapCut, you can combine 2 or more videos to create a collage or movie, edit and squish large videos without ruining their quality, Change the speed of your videos and add special transitions to make them more engaging. Add captions to your viral videos. Reverse your videos and add zoom in and zoom out effects to make your content more creative and fun. Use different filters to make your video more professional and of better quality. Have you used CapCut for your TikTok videos or a different social platform? Let us know how easy your process was in the comments. Number 2, Captions app. As the name suggests, the Captions app lets you add fancy captions to your pre-recorded videos. But there is more. It also includes an AI tool that can help write your video scripts and serve as a teleprompter, making your entire content creation and video production process very easy. Whether you use the app to make your videos or want to record them on a different app like Instagram or TikTok, the Captions app will create an on-screen notification showing you what you have to say and when to say it. If you are also the kind that doesn't look at the camera directly when recording, the Captions app will monitor your facial direction and place the scripts where you can comfortably see them. This strategy has proven to be effective, especially for user engagement and retention. The Captions app also offers a wide range of customizable caption styles and fonts, allowing you to match the captions to your unique brand and content aesthetic. Additionally, it provides real-time analytics on viewer engagement and the effectiveness of your captions, helping you fine-tune your video content for better results and audience interaction. Number 1, InVideo. While CapCut allows you to create and share fun videos with your followers, InVideo is excellent for presentations, marketing campaigns, and similar promotional content. This AI tool is very easy to use. It provides users with a simple user interface and hundreds of templates to choose from. Pick the template you like, add your branding, insert your images, add captions, and boom, your video is ready to be published. Other top features of InVideo include converting articles directly into videos, speed merge and adjustment, unlimited font and media library, text overlay, professional audio tools and visual effects. AI is definitely here to stay, and it's clear that we're only just beginning to unlock its amazing possibilities. If you're a content creator or just trying to market your business, you're in luck because there are some super cool tools available now to make your job easier and more efficient than ever before. The best part is that you can compete globally in the content creation industry without spending a ton of money. So, you see, a win-win situation for you. All the fantastic AI marketing tools we talked about in this video offer free trial versions. However, if you plan to use them for making viral videos that you'll share for business, you might need to upgrade them for commercial use. So, go ahead and give them a try. They could become your favorite tools for all your marketing needs. And that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our latest video right here.